How to view your YouTube TV bill. Checking your YouTube TV bill is quick and easy. You can do it using a mobile device, web browser, or streaming device. Follow the steps below for your preferred platform. 1. Viewing YouTube TV bill on mobile devices, iOS/Android. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Step 3. Access settings. Select settings from the drop-down menu. Step 4. Select billing details. Tap billing and payments to view your payment history, upcoming charges, and billing cycle details. 2. Viewing YouTube TV bill on a web browser. Step 1. Visit the YouTube TV website. Open a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com. Step 2. Sign in. Enter your YouTube TV account credentials to log in. Step 3. Access your profile. Click your profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Step 4. Open Settings. Select Settings from the menu. Step 5. View billing information. Choose Billing and Payments from the side menu to check your payment history, upcoming bills, and subscription details. 3. Viewing YouTube TV bill on streaming devices. Step 1. Open the YouTube TV app. Launch the YouTube TV app on your streaming device. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to the Account Settings option in the menu. Step 3. Check billing information. Look for billing and payments to view recent transactions, upcoming bills, and subscription plan details. By following these steps, you can easily access your YouTube TV billing information on any platform.